Hello, I'm Cardmaster123. So, today what I'm gonna do, I'm not sure if I don't remember if I did this trick, but if I did, you're gonna see it again. If I didn't, alright. So what I'm gonna do, I just only need half of the part of the deck, because it'll take pretty long if I did more than that. And I'm gonna pick out four cards, 2 red and 2 black. Just random. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a red and a black card, and I'm gonna put them face up in the middle of the deck. So they're here, and they're face up in the middle of the deck. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have Alexa actually ask. I'm gonna ask Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2, and this one will be 1, and this one will be 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 1. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 1. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to stop, and then we're going to switch. This will be red. This will be 1. Oh, this will be 1. Red will be... Sorry. Black will be 1. And red will be 2.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 1. 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 Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 1. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 1. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2. 2.
Alright, so basically what that was Alexa was guessing whether the card was black or red by saying either 1 or 2. So let's see how she did. So we'll start with the red side. And this was really random. Alexa just asked her to pick a random number, and she picked a random number. So she got this side red cards. There weren't many, but she got them. And for this black side, she got them all. And then for these sides, she got all the black cards, and she got all the red cards. Way to go, Alexa. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.